Okay, so we're making our second frog. So we need to start with a water bomb base. If you're not sure how that is, just look back on one of our previous videos, but it looks kind of like this. Okay, and what we're going to do here is we're just going to fold down one side of these flaps just into the center and make a bit of a crease. So I'm using slightly heavier paper for this, but you'll see why at the end of the video. And we just give it a nice on crease on that. And then we need to fold these in as well into the center. Now these aren't going to stay like this, we're going to fold them out again in a second, but it's good to make sure that the crease is nice and firm in there. Like so. Okay. So I'm going to flip this over, and what we're going to do is to take these corners up to the center and to the top, like so. And on the other side. There we go. Just going to make sure those are firm. Now we're just going to move these bottom flaps out, so just going to pull them out to the side. And these are our frog's legs. They kind of look like frog's legs. There we go. Okay. Now we're going to move the points from the top just down to each side. So just going to make them into little triangles down there. Just going to fold them across. And on the other side as well. So this is the underside of the frog. So what we're making here is the feet. So we're just going to fold these little parts just up, sort of like halfway along the edge there. It's not too important where it goes into, just make sure that it's nice and firm when you do it, and do the same on the other side, just so that it sits flat. There we are. So that's its little feet. So now we're just going to make a fold. So we're going to fold the whole bottom part of the frog up towards those folds that we just made before. Make sure it's nice and firm on there. And we're just going to make another fold back the other way, just slightly after. See if I'm just going to fold that back down. So as I say, I'm using slightly heavier paper, so it's a little bit stiff, but it'll help when we make the frog jump. So just going to fold its feet down, flip it over, and that is our frog. As I say, I know it doesn't look very frog-like, but it does jump. So all you need to do is to put your finger on the back and make it jump up. And actually, if you make a couple and you've got a friend, you can have jumping races, see who can jump the furthest. Like that. Hope you enjoyed that.